Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your drive. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on Files. The next thing you need to do is to select the particular file folders you want to share. So I'm going to share this folder right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on Share. The next thing I'm going to do is to enter the email address of the person I want to share with. Or better still, I click on this plus sign icon right here. I'm going to click on here and enter the email address. In a Gmail address, you know. So I'm going to simply select this particular Gmail right here. You can add as many as possible Gmail. I will click on here again. I will add another email. I'm going to add Yahoo Mail right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on here. After enter the mail, you can share with as many as possible person. What you need to do is to click on here and enter as many as possible Gmail. Bear in mind, you can only share Google File Mail. You can only share Google File with Gmail account. So after you enter all the Gmail account right here, next thing you need to do is to click on this icon to share. Access updated. It's as simple as that. So this is how to share file in your Google Drive. For more tutorial about how best to use your Google Drive, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.